Login loop error on NorthOne Fix. If your NorthOne business banking app keeps looping you back to the login screen, don't worry, you're not the only one. It's a common frustration, but the surprising truth is that it's rarely a NorthOne server issue. In most cases, the problem comes from cache data, session conflicts, or outdated app versions. Here's exactly how to fix it fast. Start by closing the NorthOne app completely. On Android, open your device settings, tap Apps, find NorthOne, and hit Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe the app away from the app switcher. Next, clear your cache on Android. Go back into the app settings, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. On iPhone, you'll need to delete and reinstall the app to achieve the same effect. Now, reopen the app and make sure you're using the latest version. Outdated versions often fail to sync with NorthOne's updated authentication system. Head to the App Store or Google Play and update if necessary. Still stuck? Try switching your network connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Some Wi-Fi networks, especially in offices, can block secure redirects that NorthOne uses for login verification. If you're logging in through a browser, clear your cookies and cache there too. Old session tokens stored in your browser can trigger endless login loops. Finally, disable any password manager or autofill tool for this one login attempt. Manually typing your email and password ensures clean data is sent to NorthOne server without hidden formatting errors. After these steps, restart your device and try logging in again. Most users find the issue disappears completely after doing this. So next time your NorthOne app keeps looping, remember it's not your credentials or account that's the problem. It's simply your device holding on to expire session data. Clear it, refresh it, and you'll be back to managing your business finances in seconds.